Hey everyone, welcome back to Cash Champion. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for many of us, mindfulness and its transformative impact on our daily lives. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your existing practice, this video is designed for you. Mindfulness is all about being present in the moment. It encourages us to engage fully with our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. So how can we incorporate mindfulness into our busy lives? Let's explore that together. First, let's clarify what mindfulness really means. At its core, it's about awareness and being fully engaged in the present moment. It's about noticing your breath, your thoughts, and your sensations. We often get lost in our past or anxious about our future, but mindfulness helps anchor us in the now. Studies show that practicing mindfulness can reduce stress, enhance emotional regulation, and improve our overall well-being. But how do we actually start this practice in our daily lives? That's what we're going to cover next. Segment 2, simple practices to get started. Let's discuss a few simple practices you can easily integrate into your routine. One effective method is breathing exercises. I recommend setting aside a few minutes each day to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. This practice helps center your thoughts and calms your mind. Let's try this together right now. Find a comfortable seat. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Pause. Exhale slowly. Pause. Keep this up for a few more breaths. Notice how your body feels as you do this. This simple act can create a significant shift in your day. Mindfulness can also be practiced during everyday activities. For example, the next time you have a meal, try to savor each bite. Focus on the flavors, the textures, and the aromas. Put away your phone and other distractions and truly engage with your food. This not only enhances your eating experience, but also fosters a sense of gratitude. You can even practice mindfulness while doing household chores. When washing dishes, pay attention to the warm water, the soap bubbles, and the rhythm of your hands. This shift in focus can turn a mundane task into a moment of peace. Now, let's talk about building a mindfulness routine. Starting with just 5 minutes a day can make a significant difference. As you grow more comfortable, gradually increase the time you spend in mindfulness practice. Consider keeping a mindfulness journal. After each practice session, jot down your thoughts and feelings. Reflecting on your experiences can deepen your understanding and commitment to mindfulness. To make this routine stick, try to find a specific time each day when you can dedicate yourself to this practice. Maybe it's first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or right before bed. Consistency is key. Of course, there will be challenges along the way. Your mind might wander, or you might feel restless. This is completely normal. The important thing is to gently bring your focus back to the present without judgment. If you find yourself getting frustrated, remember that mindfulness is a practice, not a destination. Embrace each moment and be patient with yourself. It's okay to have off days. What matters is your commitment to keep trying. In today's fast-paced world, practicing mindfulness can be incredibly beneficial. It can help us manage stress, improve our relationships, and enhance our overall happiness. Consider how you can incorporate mindfulness into various aspects of your life, whether at work, while exercising, or during family time. Now that you have some practical tools to get started, I encourage you to take a moment each day to practice mindfulness. It can lead to a deeper sense of peace and fulfillment in your life. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this, and share your mindfulness journey in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, be present, be mindful, and take care of yourself. This is Cash Champion, and if you want to learn more, click on the link in my bio.